Hi, good afternoon, everyone. All of you, good afternoon. So, welcome to the new day. So, again, we have to start the rational number once again. The yesterday where we have finished, that will continue. How many of you are here? Just to give your name. So, how many of you are here? It is exactly 328. Hi, yes, hi, everyone. Yes, hi everyone, hi everyone. So let us start at exactly at 3:30. Again, 1 minute we have. Let us wait for 1 minute, then we will start. Okay. Okay, how many of you are here? I will read their names now one by one. So several members are here. So you can hear my voices clearly. You can hear my voices. Yeah, hi. So it is 3:30. So let us start today's topic. Okay. So without wasting any time, today we will go again forward. That is what we have learned till yesterday. That we have to continue. So we will continue now. All of you are ready. All of you are ready. Yes, all of you are ready. Hello, all of you. So let us start. Yes, okay. Let us start with this topic. But before that, I want to know how many of you are here. Just to write down your name or anything so I can understand. Jason is here, Sahana Naik is here, Aditya is here, Kirti Naik is here, Sanjana Naik. Again. Okay, next is Mahima Mudeshwar, Tejas, Jayashri, that is Pranamya, okay, Sudarshan, Kirti. Okay, Akshat Verma, afterwards you can talk here, but here. Okay, Anish is here. Next, all of you make my video live. First of all, Radhika is here, Filda is here. All of you make my video live first of all, because I think several members have not kept it live. Okay, Vignesh is here. So these are the students, those are here. So let us start. Yes. Okay, here are the again Bhumika is here, Sumitra is here. So let us start today's topic with the intro. Welcome to PSM Perfectsolutionformath. I'm your tutor Sumanth PF. So Nagashri also joined the class. So now we have to learn the next one. That is a very important topic again. Till yesterday I had homework for you. Yes, yesterday I had homework for you. I think you have done that. Yes, Raksha is here. So yesterday I had homework, and might be you have done that. Yes. Yes, no, very good. So those who have done that homework, now we have to answer the integer it was. So for the integer we are applying the associative property. So how many of you have did that? Yes, several members have done that, and very good, those who have did that. So now we will go for the associative property. Directly we will write it down. What are the things are equal, what are the things are not equal, means not associative. Okay, first one, associative property for integer. Okay, for addition, first we will go for the addition. Okay, for the addition we will move. What is that about the addition? For addition, whether the associative property holds good in integer. Integer means a plus or minus number including 0. So that is the integer. So whether it holds good? Yes. Addition, it will holds good. Addition is associative in what? Integer. Yes, yes, it is integer. Means you can take any 3 numbers, that is 2 I will take, one more is I will take as a 0, and one more I will take as a -1, and this side also 2, 0 and -1, and then we have to put the plus in between everywhere, but we have to put the bracket differently. So here I have to put the bracket first, and next I have to put the bracket here, and calculation 2 will be as it is, 0 and -1 is -1, and 2 will be here, and -1 because plus into minus minus, so 2 minus 1 is 1 is equals to 1. So in addition, associative holds good. Okay, so this is the first one. What about the subtraction? What about the subtraction? Whether it holds good in subtraction? Whether it holds good in subtraction? Yes, in subtraction it holds good. No, it will not. Subtraction is not associative in integer. Any integer number you can take, it will not. For example, you can take any 3 numbers, 3, then I will take 2, and I will take 1. All we have to put the subtraction, 3 minus 2 and -1, but the bracket is very important. Integer it is. Integer means, you know, no, any number plus or minus we have to take. I will take the minus only. So 3 minus 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, then this is 2. 3 minus 1 is 3 minus 2 is 1 minus 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. It is not equal. So it is not holds good. So not associative. Subtraction is not associative. What about the multiplication? What about the multiplication? What about the multiplication? Whether it is associative or not associative? Vismita, welcome. Yes, it is associative. So you can take any 3 numbers. So for example, any -2, 1 and 5 I can take. On this side also -2, 1 and 5. So numbers are same, but I have to put the into in between because it is multiplication, and the bracket to put that is very important. 1 and 5 one side, -2 and 1 one side. Then next is -2 as it is, 1 5 is a 5, and 5 2 is a 10, and negative symbol we have. Yes. Then this side -2 into 1 is -2 into 5, so -10 only. Both the side we have left hand side and right hand side are equal, so is associative. See how much easy it is in integer. Those who have doubt, you can ask me. Okay, this is a very important thing. We have done this already, so I am not giving more detail about this. So if you want, you can ask me. But what about the division? What about the division? Whether division is associative in integer? Whether division is associative in integer? No. Yes, Nayana? Take any numbers. Okay, those who have doubt, you can ask me anytime. So okay, any numbers if you want to take. So I will take one number here. I will rub this, and I will take one number. So let us take 2, 3, and 4. Let it be. And here also 2, 3, 4. Any number you can take, because the integer number are all having the positive and negative also. Anish also saying that 5. What is 5? I don't know. Division here and division here, and here also division, and here also division. You have to put the bracket over here. So 3 and 4 I will put the bracket, and 2 and 3 I will put the bracket first. So next, continuation. So 2 divided by 3 by 4. 3 by 4 I have to write down as it is. 2 by 3 I have to write down here, and divide by 4 I have to write down. So I will do the left hand side first. Here it will remain 1. Okay. So 2 by 1 will remain as it is. The division will turns into, but this will reciprocal. This 3 by 4 will reciprocal to 4 by 3. So next one is 4 to the 8, 3 1 the 3. So on the other side we have to see, this is here we have 1. So this will 2 by 3 will remain as it is, but this division will turns into, but 4 by 1 turns into 1 by 4. Okay, hello everyone. So it will turns into what? 1 by 4. So multiplication, 1 2 the 2, 3 4 the 12. Whether 8 by 3 and 2 by 12 both are equal, whether 8 by 3 and 2 by 12 both are equal, both are equal, both are equal, answer to me. Whether 8 by, no, it is not equal. See, 8 by 3 is not equals to 2 by 12, because if you will cancel this 2 1s are 2 6s also, you will get the final answer as, I will take it down, 8 by 3 is equals to 1 by 6. So both are not equal. So that is a very important. So not equal means not associative. So I can write down division is not associative in integer. Okay, this is all about the integer form, integer. So very importantly, you have to note it down this. All of you note it down this, very important. This what I have written in a rectangle, and this one you have to note it down. Okay, this one is the most important thing. Umesh, it is on Monday, Umesh, it is on Monday. Class 9th live stream on Monday. Sunday it will be somewhat different. I will do just I have told that I will bring, but on Monday you will have the class 9th. Tomorrow and today you don't have. So this is the associative property for the integer. I have done this. Okay. Any doubt regarding this? Any doubt regarding this? Any doubt? Quickly. Which one I have to explain again? Yes, this one yesterday I have done this. Everything no, yesterday I have done this. So if you have yesterday, if you are here, you might have understood this. So here nothing we have to do. We have to do over here that A, B, C, the 3 numbers we have to take. And we have to find the associative. Associative property is nothing but what here? Any 3 numbers you have to take. Consider that A, B, C. And here also A, B, C I have to take. And for the numbers, we have to do the operation plus, minus, into and division. Okay. So here, first we have done for plus. So next we have to do for the minus. So first we will do it for plus. Okay. I will go forward. So plus I have to put everywhere. Associative property I have to put. And but the bracket is very important. B and C I have to put the bracket. And A and B I have to put the bracket. And put any value for A, B, C. Any value for A, B, C you can put. And you can find the answer. The left hand side and right hand side must be equal. If it is equal, then it is associative property. So A, B, C value depending on the number, whole number and integer and rational number. Put the any value for that. First you go for whole number, then you go integer, and then you go for rational number. So Gunjan, that is yesterday I have done that. Just you check yesterday's link. So there I have explained it very nicely, one by one. Because if you miss one day class also, it will go forward. Again, if it will be difficult. Yes, so go for the yesterday's class link and click that, and you can understand it. If you have doubt again, you can contact me anytime. Okay, so next one. So see here, the next one is the next topic, that is the role of 0. Here name suggests that role of 0. What do you mean by role of 0? Welcome Gunjan. What is role of 0? Do you know what is the value of 0 actually? Whether 0 have any value? Whether 0 have any value? Whether 0 have any value? So one question. So it is a mathematical question only. Whether 0 have any value? What not over? Okay. Who have not finished? Mangala. What happened? Mangala Kore. So you can rewind that and you can say that. No. Okay. Here 0 doesn't have any value. You may say that, but actually 0 have the value. Why? I will tell you. 0 doesn't have a value. Okay, Nishad, one thing you do afterwards, you can write it down. That is yesterday's homework. Okay. So see here, 0 why it doesn't have value? If you write only 0, it doesn't have the value. But along with the 0, if you will write anything on the left hand side of that 0, that 0 have the value. So what is the value of this number now? What is the value of this number? See, what is the value of this number now? What I have written on the whiteboard. What is the value of this? What is the value of this? 10. Very good. It is the value is 10. So you have told the 0 doesn't have value. See here, if I have not written that 0, it will be 1. The 1 value will be similar to the 10 value. Whether 1 and 10 both are same. Whether 1 and 10 both are same. All of you make my video live. First you make the video live. Double tap on my right side of the video and make it live. So you can see. No, 10 and 1 are not same. Both are different. Both are different. But when you will put that 0, the value of that 1 is increased to 10. So see here, 1 you have. If you will put 1 0, it became what? 10. So one more. If you will write one more 0, the value increasing. Understood? So 0, what we will have, it is very important role in number system. Only 0 doesn't have any value. If you write only 0, it doesn't have any value. Along with that 0, if you write anything on the left side of that 0, you have the value. For example, if you write like this way, 0 and 3. 0 and 3, 0 and 3, what you have, that 0 and 3 value is 3 only. Why it is 3 only? Because that 0 position is very important. Position of that 0 is very important. If the position of the 0 on the left hand side of any number, any left hand side of the any number, okay, then that value will remain same, that is 3 only. It will remain 3 only. But the same 0, if you will write in front of that 3, on the right side of the 3, the value increases. Understood? So here also same thing, the value or role of that 0 that we are going to learn today. So here you can see the topic, the role of 0, that is most important now. Okay, so let us learn that role of 0. What is the role of that 0 in the number system or in a rational number or any other number? So see here, when we will come role of 0, so if I write any number over here, 4, okay, if I will add that for the 4, if I will add any number with means 0, if I will add 0 for that 4, what is the final answer will be? What is the final answer will be? Whether 4 plus 0 is anything else or same it as before. 4 only, yes. 4 plus 0 is 4 only. So here you see the role of the 0 is nothing but when you will add 0 to any number. Listen here, once again I am saying that when you add means plus 0 to any number, okay, you are going to get the same number. You are going to get the same number. This one you have to understand. Okay, not only this much. We can go for the one more property over here. That is commutative property. 4 plus 0 is equals to 0 plus 4. See here, if you will add 4 plus 0 also, you are going to get the same answer. If you will add 0 plus 4 also, you are going to get the same answer. Which property you are going to apply over here? Which property you have applied here? Which property you have applied here? Which property you have applied here? 4 plus 0 is equal to 0 plus 4. Will you answer to me? Which property you have applied? Because we have learned so many properties before this class. Yes, nearly the 5 classes we have already finished. Commutative property. Very good, Sudarshan Pai. So we have gone through the commutative property. So if you will add any number to 0, you are going to get how much? The same number. That is, how much I will write down here? That is 4 only. See here, 0 plus 4 is 4. 0 plus 4 plus 0 is 4 and 0 plus 4 is also 4 only. So you can understand, yes. So what is the role of 0 here? If you will add any number to the 0, finally answer going to be same answer. So here you see, I will write it down. Any number plus, okay, I will rub this below that so you can understand it better. I will write a little bit big in size so that you have to understand, no? Any number plus 0, you are going to get same number. This is the role of the 0 and nothing else. It is simple, it is nothing difficult you have. Okay, so any difficulty you have here? Any difficulty you have? Any difficulty you have? Quickly. Any number added to 0 is not 0, 4, that same number. Okay, so write down this one, and next one you write down 4 plus, okay, don't want the 4 number only, you will think that only we have to take the 4 number, not such a way, you can take any number. So I will take a 6, okay, 6 plus 0 is equals to 0 plus 6, that is also I can write down, that is final answer will be 6 only. So you can see here 6 is a whole number and 0 is also a whole number, 0 is a whole number, then finally we are going to get the 6 as the answer, that is also whole number. So here if you will add whole number to the whole number, the final answer is a whole number only. Understood? So this is for what? Whole number we have finished. For the whole number we have finished. Similarly we have to move for the next number, that is which? Integer. So take down any integer number. Take down any integer number. Yes, whole number plus whole number is equal to whole number. Take down any integer number. Integer number will be which one you will take? Integer z plus 0, that means z integer number means here 0 is also integer number. Okay, that is equal to what we have to get? Yes, minus 5 plus 0, that is equal to minus 5 only. So here also minus 5 is what here? Integer number. So here you see integer is added to the integer, the final answer you are going to get the integer. Means if you add 0 to any number, you are going to get the same number. Similarly for the rational number also, you can take one more example for the rational number. Actually it is simple, they have given in NCERT textbook. So this is very important and very easy. Yes, z plus 0 also you can write down. In place of z, no, this z, you can write down 0 also, because 0 is also what here? Integer only. So I have written z. Okay, in place of z you can write down 0 also if you want. It is not compulsory. Okay, here also instead of whole number you can write down 0, because 0 is also a whole number only. Yes, we have to go for what now? Rational number. Very good. Who have given that question? Sudarshan Pai. Very good. Rational number. We have to go for the rational number. So we will take one rational number. That rational number is 6 by 7. One person Sudarshan have given, plus 0 we have to take. The final answer will be 6 by 7 only. Same number. Understood? So we have to write down at the end rational number. Rational number, actually we don't have any denotation for that. Some of you will write down as r, but don't want, write down as rational number only. Rational number plus 0 is equal to rational number. Okay, that is the final answer. Understood? Only I am talking about the addition. I am not going for the multiplication, subtraction, or into, or multiplication or division. I am not going for that. Only I have taken the addition. For subtraction also the same procedure it will follow. Only for the addition I am talking about, not for the anything other operation. Only for what? Addition. I am not talking about the multiplication, into, and division. It is not possible in other cases. Okay, so I will tell you why it is so. In negative, in my subtraction also it is not possible. The 0 role it will not show in the subtraction. So you may ask, no sir, we have that subtraction, we put any subtraction number, we are going to get the same answer. You may say that, but try for this. 1 as 0 I will take at the first, and next I will take minus of any number. That number I will take it as here 6. Okay, here you see 0 is the whole number. Okay, any number you can take, that is the whole number I will take. And here 6 is also whole number. You are subtracting that whole number to the whole number. Final answer what you are going to get? What is the final answer you are going to get? One example, don't write this example, what I am writing here, no, don't write. For your understanding purpose I am doing this. What is the final answer you are going to get? 0 minus 6. 1 is whole number, 0 is a whole number, 6 is a whole number, yes. Yes, minus 6. Whether minus 6 is a whole number, whether minus 6 is a whole number, the same number we got over here. See, minus we have, so minus 6 it is. So minus 6 is the whole number. Answer to me. No, minus 6 is not the whole number. It is not whole number. So see here, when you will subtract the same number, when you will subtract, a role of the 0 is understood, no? Role of the 0 only possible for the addition, not for the subtraction. not for the into also, because the same number we must get. Which number we have taken here? The same number we have to get. But here what happened? Here we have taken the plus 6, but the final answer is what? Minus 6. No, here we have plus 6. We must get the same answer. We must get the same answer. Here we have taken the value as what? Plus 6. But here what is the value? The value is 6 only here. No, we got the final answer as minus 6. Understood? They are not the same answer. It is the different answer. Understood, Sudarshan Naik? Sudarshan Naik, you understood? Okay. We must get the same answer, then only it is correct, otherwise the roll of the 0 will go wrong. So roll of the 0 will possible only for what? Addition. That you have to keep it in your mind. And all of you make my video live, because some of you are answering late. For that purpose, double tap on the right side of the video and it will make the video live. Okay. So let us move further. Yes. So roll of 0 you understood. Roll of 0 is nothing but the simply we have, that is the addition we have to take and do the calculation. Only for addition. Now we have to move further. Those who have doubt you can ask me. Okay. Anyone have a doubt? Quickly. Anyone, if you have a doubt, ask me. Otherwise you have to type as no. If you don't have a doubt, type as no. All of you. I want to know how many of you are active here. So all of you type. If you have a doubt, yes. Otherwise no. All, those who have said simply that they have to also have to answer to me. Yes. Okay, no doubt. So next we will move on to, all of you have to type and make my video live first of all. And next one we are going to find the roll of 1. What is the roll of 1 now? Very important again. What is the roll of 1? So we have to know that 0 have the value. 0 has the value when you will apply in the along with the another number. Okay. Similarly, what is the roll of 1 now? You will say that what is the roll of 1? The 1 also we will see that 1 is a very small number. We will neglect that 1 several times. Means if you have 1 means it is not, means it is less we will consider. But actually 1 have a more value than the other numbers. How? We will see that. 1 is, okay. Do you know what about prime number? One simple tip. Okay, on the trip I will give you. What is prime number? Do you know? A prime number we will call. Yes, you know about the prime number. We will talk about the prime number. Yes, composite number and all. Yes, you know about the prime number. Which are the prime numbers here? Which are the prime numbers? One we will call for the prime number and one more we will call as a composite number. 2 number system we have, means in differentiating them. Okay, will you give the example for prime numbers now and composite numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7 is a prime number. Okay, 2, 3, 5, 7 is a prime number. What about the composite number? Yes, 2, 3, 5, 7 is a prime number only. Very good, Tejas. But prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7. Yes. Okay, what about the composite numbers? You know what is prime number and composite number? One will have the value always when it is added before any number or added behind any number. Okay, that is okay. That is not I am asking that. Prime number and a composite number I am asking. Oh, how many of you know what is prime number? Yes. Composite numbers are not nothing but 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. Not this is the end. Again we have. Prime number means any number which is divisible by the same number in itself. For example, 2. 2 is divisible by which are the numbers? Which are the numbers you will take to divide that 2? Which are the numbers it will divide? Divided by 2 this. So, or multiples of 2. Yes, 2. Okay, 2 how much the 2? 2 and 1. Yes, 1 into 2. So, here you can see the number 2, it will be have the factor or the prime numbers having the 2 and 1. What about 3? 3 is which are the numbers it will divide? Which are the numbers you will take and divide that 3? And it will complete, it will divide. Which are the numbers? Yes, 9 and 9. That is the prime number you have given. 1 and 3. Yes, 1 and 3. Only these 2 numbers. Okay. 1 and 3. Only these 2 numbers. So, similarly, this I will write 1 into 2. Next, I will take the 5. What are the numbers will be divisible by this 5? Which are the numbers you will take will be divisible by this 5? Which are the number? 1 and 5. Yes. See, the 5 will be divisible by only 5 and 1 only. Then similarly 7 is 1 into 7. And 8 is not there, 9 is not there, 11 it is directly. 11 is equal to 1 into 11. So what about these numbers? See, what about this 4? See, 4 I will take. Then what are the numbers will be divisible by this 4? What are the numbers divisible by this 4? 4 will be divisible by some of the numbers. Which are they? Quickly. 15, huh? Okay. 2, 4 and 1. Yes, very good. That is 1 into 4, 2 into 2. So here you can see the 4 can be written in terms of two things. 1 into 4 I can write it down as a 4. And one more 4 I can write down as what? 2 into 2. So you can see here the 4 have 1, 2 and 3 factors. We have how many factors? 3 factors we have. See, 1, 2 and 4. Similarly, if I write 6, how many factors we have? How many factors we have? 1 into 6. Okay, there are 2 factors. And again 2 into 3. How many factors we have? The 6 can be written as in terms of like this way. How many factors we have? Answer. 1 we have, 2 we have, 3 we have and 6 we have. Totally 4 factors we have. Similarly, if you will go for 8. 8 can be written as 1 into 8, 2 into 4, 4 into 2 and 8 into 1. So again here how many factors we have? 1, 8, 2, 4. 4 factors again we have. Understood the concept? So here on the right and left hand side you can check that each number, this 4, 6, 8, 10, any number you can take, 4, 6, 8, any number you can take, which have more than 2 factors, which have more than 2 factors. But in prime number how many factors we have? Each number have how many factors? How many factors we have? The factors means nothing but these numbers which will multiply. Yes, how many factors we have for this prime number? How many factors we have? Only 2. See here, only 2. This is the one factor, this is the another factor. For 2 only we have 2 factor. 3 also we have only 2 factor. 5 also we have only 2 factor. 7 also we have only 2 factor. 11 also we have only 2 factor. But coming to the composite side, composite numbers, here we can see we will have for 4 we have 1, 2 and this 2. All the 3 factors. 1, 2, 3 and 6 for the 6th number. So it have the 4 factors. So composite number means having more than 2 factors. Okay. So why I came for this question? Why I came for this question, you may ask. So you are talking about the rational, that's one role of 1. No, why you came for this question? So simply why you are teaching this, you may ask me. But very important in that only. So here everywhere you can see any number you take, it may be any number, whether 1, let it be 2 or let it be 3. Any number you can consider, something is common. What is that? Something is common. What is that? All have the factor as 1. Very good. All have the factor as 1. If you will check each and every number, whether it may be a composite number, whether it may be a prime number or whether it may be any other number, it have the factor as what? 1. All you can see, I will mark it down. So we will take for 1, 2, you see 1 is a factor, 3 also 1 is a factor, 5 also 1 is a factor, 7 also 1 is a factor, 11 also 1 is a factor, 4 also we have 1 as a factor, 6 also 1 as a factor, here also, sorry here not 1, actually it is how much? 2, okay. So here we can see 1 is a factor and for 8 also 1 is a factor. Not only that much, if you will take this number, how much it is? How much? 10 lakhs. Yes, the 10 lakh also have a 1 into 10 lakh. So you can see here any number you take, it will have the factor as what? 1. That is the role of that 1. So all these factors have a 1 operation. Which operation it have? Which mathematical operation it have? Whether it is positive or negative or into or division. Which operation all the numbers have? Which operation all the numbers have? Quickly. Which operation all the numbers have in common? Whether it is plus, minus, into or yes, Nayana Naik, very good. All the numbers are multiplication. So role of 1, what we are going to talk here, no? That is based on what? multiplication, means it will have only the multiplication sign. Understood? So roll of 0 it include the positive sign, roll of 1 it will include the multiplication sign. And all of you make my video live. Understood? This is all about the introduction. Why that roll of 1 is very important, for that purpose I have told you. All the numbers have multiplication, so all the numbers have the factor as 1, so that is the role of 1. Understood? Let it be a prime number, even number, odd number, composite number, natural number, whole number, rational number, integer or any number. Role of 1 is very important again. Doubt you have? So, sir, what we have to write now, you may ask. So, take down what I have to write, I will tell you. Take down this one example. So, one example you can take, one number I will take as a 7. 7 into 1 is equals to how much? 7 is into 1 is how much? 7 ones are. Quickly. 7 ones are. 7 ones are how much? Quickly. 7. Very good, Nayana. So 7 on the 7. So here you are taking the two numbers. So here you have taken any number, that is you can write it down, any number multiplied by, multiplication is very important. I will highlight that multiplication is very important. Here multiplication is the thing, into 1, that is equals to same number. If you multiply any number to 1, you are going to get the same number. That is all about. So I can take the again 3 examples I will take. One is a whole number example. So this one also you can see 7 into 1 is 7, that I will write on here. So 8 into 1 is equals to 1 into 8. Again we can apply the this one commutative property we can apply for this. The final answer will be 8 only. So multiplication it includes. So first we will go for the whole number example I will take down. So one example is any number 10 into 1, that is equals to 10. The whole number is multiplied with the 1 and you are going to get the same whole number only. Same number you are going to get. This is for what? Whole number. For one more example we have to go for what? Integer number. Integer number we have to take any number. So I will take the integer number, negative value only I will take, not only positive. We can go for the negative value also. Minus 6 into 1, because we have to multiply with the 1 only. Final answer will be minus 6 only. So integer z into 1, that is going for the z only, integer. Lastly we have to move to the rational number. Take down any rational number which you want. Minus 2 by 3 you can take, that is equals to, okay, I will change the ink so you can understand. So next example, minus 2 by 3 I have taken, into 1, that is equals to minus 2 by 3. The same number you are going to get. So yes, minus 6 by 8 also you can take, 2 by 4 also you can take. So that is nothing but rational number. Doubt you have? This is all about the, yes, this is all about what? Your answer. So roll of number 1. So that is equals to multiplication. We will go for only for multiplication. So roll of addition, sorry, roll of 0 means addition, roll of 1 means multiplication. That you have to keep it in your mind. Anything else? Doubt if you have, you can ask me. If you have doubt, you can ask me. Ravi Moria, okay. So what happened now? I am teaching for the CBSE student language English, okay. Ravi, you can understand it, not a problem, because same it is, means NCERT textbook only. This was NCERT textbook. Numbers it is, so you may understand. Okay, no doubt. Yes. So let us move further. Yes, all of you are ready. Yes, let us move further. Ravi, don't worry. If you have a doubt, you can ask anytime. Okay. So I may say that answer for you. I will help you out. Okay. Let us move further. Yes. So how many of you are here? I want to know. Just you text me. Any all of you wants to text me so that I can understand how many of you are here. Anything you can text me, hi or anything. So I can have to understand how many of you are here. So for that purpose, yes, okay. So don't sit simply. If you have a doubt, you can ask me. If you don't have a doubt, also answer to me here. Activeness, show your activeness so that I can understand you are here. Otherwise, how I can understand you are here or you are not there? And make all of you make my video live. First thing you have to do is all the video how to make it live. Okay. Let us move further. Yes. Okay. Next one is negativity of a number or additive inverse. That is most important. All of you make my video live. And next one is nothing but negativity of a number or a additive inverse. So this one you have learned in a 6th standard. Sorry, 7th standard. In 7th standard you have already learned this. Okay. Negativity of a number, but you have not learned as a negativity of a number, but you have learned as what? Additive inverse. You have learned this word additive inverse, but that for that name we have one more name as negativity of a number also. Yes, no, last year you have learned. Yes or no? In 7th or 6th you have learned this. Yes. Learned or not learned? You have learned? Yes, last year you have learned this. So here also we have to take the same thing. So additive inverse or negativity of a number, it will come in which operation? Whether it will come in a plus, minus, into, or division. Whether it is addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. Which one it will come? Additive inverse or negativity of a number, in which what it will come? Whether it will be coming in a addition or subtraction, multiplication, or division. Where it will come? Subtraction. Because you have told that, because here the name suggesting as negativity. Yes, the name suggesting as negativity. For that purpose you have told as a subtraction. Sudarshan Pai is going for the positive, the addition. So here you see additive means we have what? Addition also. Yes. Which one it is? Negative, that is a subtraction or addition. What is that? Okay. That is we are going for, so one thing is clear, it is not for multiplication or not for division. It is not for both. But it is for addition or subtraction, that is the question. So here, see here, it is not for multiplication, it is not for the division, because here the name suggesting only additive inverse. Okay, negativity means there will be a positive number. There will be a positive number. For example, 6. For 6, how much you are going to add to make it a 0? Additive inverse is nothing but for 6, how much you are going to add to make it 0. So it is for positive only. For positive only we will take. But sometime it will come negative. Means minus it will come. Okay. So sometime it will become what? Negative also. That we will learn how it is. Okay. So it is for what? Addition. Mainly for addition. Yes. 0 I have to add. For 6 I have to add 0 to make it 0. Yes. We have to add what here? We have to add minus 6. So when we will add 6 plus or minus 6, then we will get the answer as 0. Because see here, 6 is a positive, here plus we have, here into we have. So if you will multiply both, what will happen? Because in between you have into, the bracket we have means into. So how much it will be? Plus or minus? Plus or minus? Plus or minus? You have to be quick enough. Plus or minus? Minus. Very good, Sanjana. So plus or minus is minus. So 6 will remain as it is. So 6 minus 6 is how much? Both of them will get cancelled. So it will be 0. So this is the main thing. Understood? So negativity is nothing but a number will be given. For that you have to find the negative of that. That time the final answer must be 0. So it is called what the number you will add or what number you will add. No, that number is called the additive inverse. What is the additive inverse of 6? Additive additive inverse of 6 is what? What is the additive inverse of 6? Sudarshan Naik, yes, I am getting your chat. Why? Yes, minus 6. Very good. Additive inverse of 6 is what? Minus 6. Okay? Don't worry about that. Okay, next question. If you have your number as 8, what is the additive inverse of this 8? Additive inverse of 8 is how much? For 8, how much you are going to add to make it 8? Yes, Sudarshan Pai, very good. Sudarshan Pai, very good. You have to add how much? Minus 8, so that the final answer will be how much? 0. Understood? So additive inverse of 8 is minus 8. It's simple, it is. If you have here 6 means it will be minus 6. If you have here 8 means, it will be minus 8. Any doubt? Any doubt? A difficult one or simple one it is? Whether it is a difficult one or simple one? Whether it is a difficult one or simple one? Whether it is difficult or simple one, you have to answer quickly. Don't waste the time. Simply you don't waste the time. Quickly how to tell the answer. Simple, yes? So let us move with the now rational number. Just now we have learnt only about the whole number. No, now we will learn for the rational number. So now we have to give that answer. 2 by 3 we have. 2 by 3, what is the additive inverse of this 2 by 3? When we will add the 2 by 3 with one more number, you are going to get the 0 as the answer. What is the additive inverse of 2 by 3? Additive inverse of 2 by 3 is dash. What is that? Minus 2 by 3. Very good. So here we have plus 2 by 3. So here it will be minus 2 by 3. Very simple, not 0. If you will add 2 by 3 plus 0, the final answer will be 2 by 3 only. Not 0. That is not the role of 0 we are talking about. We have to find it. Same number, but the sign will be changing. That is minus 2 by 3. See here, check this. Here we have plus 2 by 3. Here we have minus 2 by 3. Difficult one. A difficult one. 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3. Same number. See here. If you will add 2, if you add minus 2 for that, how much you are going to get? Both. You have 2 rupees. You have given the 2 rupees to your friend. How much you will have? How much you are going to have? If you have 2 rupees and you are given the 2 rupees to your friend, so how much you will have? How much you will have? 0. Understood? That is the thing. Any difficulty? Actually, it is very easy topic. Rational number, what we have here, no? That is the most simple topic what we have. Similarly, one more question. Last question it is on this question, on this base. Okay, write it down. This, all the examples you have to write it down. Simply don't listen and don't answer. You have to write it down. All this thing what I have written. So I will take as A by B plus what you will add to make it 0. So I want the final answer. Additive inverse of A by B is dash. Who will answer first? I want to know. Here I have not given the number. Yes, Vinayak, Vignesh. Okay, Vignesh. Very good. That is minus A by B. Same thing. A by B means A by B only we have to write. But only one thing we have to change is minus we have to write. That's all. Actually, very simple topic we have. Doubt? Anyone have a doubt? You don't have, no? So let us move further. Or you want one more question on this? You want one more question on this? No. So let us move further. This is the last one, today's topic, and after this we will stop here only. Okay, this is the last thing what we are going to learn today. After this we will stop. Tomorrow we will continue the next part. Okay, this is the last one. Just to see reciprocal or multiplicative inverse, that you have learned previously. Multiplicative inverse you have learned previously. Yes, multiplicative inverse you have learned previously. Similarly, reciprocal also you have learned last year. Yes? Yes, no? Yes, okay. Let us move further now. So easy it is. So it is in which operation it will come? The additive inverse coming for the plus. In which it, where it will come now? Where it will come now? For the reciprocal or multiplicative inverse, where it will come now? Whether it will be coming for the operation of addition, minus, subtraction or division. For division, it is okay. For multiplication, okay. For multiplication, okay. Multiplication, division, minus, okay. So see here, we are going to learn the reciprocal or multiplicative inverse. We are going to learn, the name only suggests for what? Multiplication here, and sometime it will go for the division also. Sometime it will go for the division, but it is not possible for what? Addition and subtraction. Multiplicative or reciprocal or multiplicative inverse, what we have? Only for what? Multiplication or division. Okay, maximum we will go for the multiplication, not for the division. Okay, so let us learn that what is the reciprocal. So see here, I have told that it is for multiplication and division. If I will take any number, for example 4 is a number. For 4, how much you will multiply to make it 1? Reciprocal we have, no? So for that 4, how much you are going to multiply to make it 1? Multiply, okay, multiply, because it will take it for multiplication. So how much you are going to multiply to make it 1? For 4 again you are multiplying 4. 4 4 the 16. Okay, 4 1s are 4. I want the final answer as 1. I want the final answer as 1. Sanjana is saying that 1 by 4 it seems. Sanjana is saying that 4 into 1 by 4 minus 4. Okay, 4 4 the 16 and minus sign. 0. Okay, 4 zeros are 0. Any number if you multiply with the 0, you are going to get the 0 only. So the name suggests as reciprocal. Here name suggests as reciprocal. I am not going for the additive inverse. Additive inverse means what? For 4, if you will add minus 4, your answer will be 0. Yes, but Sudarshan Pai, very good. So here I am not going for the additive inverse. I am talking about the multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse means, see here, this number 4, in below we will have 1. 4 by 1 we will have. Sudarshan Naik, see here, if I will multiply 4 into minus 3, you are going to get minus 12. I want the final answer as 1. So multiplicative inverse is nothing but, we have to see which number is given. That we have to write down divided by 1. If you have only numerator number. Then what we have to do? This number we have to reciprocal. This 1 by 4 by 1 what we have? That we have to reciprocal. What is the reciprocal of 4 by 1? What is the reciprocal of 4 by 1? Reciprocal of 4 by 1 is what? Reciprocal of 4 by 1 is what? 1 by 4. 1 will go to the numerator and 4 will come to the denominator. Yes, 1 by 4. Understood? 4 by 1, reverse you have to do. This 1 will go up and 4 will come down. So it is a reciprocal. Understood? So now you see, if you will do the calculation, 4 and 4 get cancelled. Here will remain 1, here will be 1. 1 1s are 1. 1 divided by 1 is 1. 1 by 1 is nothing but what? 1 by 1 is nothing but what? 1 only. So reciprocal of 4 by 1 is what? 1 by 4. Or I can take multiplicative inverse of 4 is 1 by 4. Understood? Multiplicative inverse of 4 is 1 by 4. Don't you have? Means any number you have to multiply, then the final answer will be 1. So don't get confused in additive inverse and multiplicative inverse. Don't get confused in additive inverse and multiplicative inverse. Additive inverse means if you have plus 4, we have to take the minus 4. But multiplicative inverse, when it will come multiplicative inverse, we have to go for the reciprocal. Don't get confused. Those who have doubt, no, just you have to ask me. Otherwise, you can check the video once again. So one more number I will give you. You have to answer now. What is the reciprocal inverse of 5? Okay, don't want 5. Make it 56. Okay, small number only we will take. Make it 7. What is the multiplicative inverse of 7? For 7, how much you are going to multiply to make it 1? Okay, you have given for Sudarshan Pai, you have given for 56. Okay, good. Vinayak Naik you have given for, okay, very good. Reciprocal of 7 is, or any one you have tried, multiplicative inverse of 7 is, okay, what is the answer? 1 by 7, yes. This 7 by 1 we have, so this side you have to take as 1 by 7. Here only 7 if you will write means it will below we will have 1. Below what we will have? 1 which will remain. 7 by 1. Okay, that is equals to 1 by 7. You can see now this 7 and 7 get cancelled. So answer will be 1 only. So multiplicative inverse of 7 is 1 by 7. Doubt? Anyone have a doubt? Anyone have a doubt? Anyone have a doubt? Okay, last one question, then we will conclude today's topic. Okay, last question. You have to quickly answer. Huh? I will give randomly question. You have to answer it quickly. Okay. You have to tell me multiplicative inverse of 3 by 4. For 3 by 4, how much you are going to multiply to make it 1? For 3 by 4, how much you are going to multiply to make it 1? How much? 4 by 3. Very good, Vinayak Naik. Yes, 4 by 3. Chetan, Sanjana, Nayana, Sudarshan, okay, Pranamya, Kirti, Vismita, all of you, very good. That is nothing but 4 by 3. For 3 by 4, we have to reciprocal. The 3 will come down and 4 will go up. So it will be 4 by 3. So what will happen over here? If you will check it clearly, this 3 ones are 3 ones are, 4 ones are 4 ones are, get cancelled. So final answer will be 1. Reciprocal inverse of or multiplicative inverse of 3 by 4 is 4 by 3. Or you can write down last day reciprocal inverse of 3 by 4 is 4 by 3. Understood? Not 1. Same number if you will multiply reverse way, reciprocal type, you are going to get the 1 as the answer. One more last question. 5 by 6. What you have to multiply to make it 1? That is nothing but reciprocal. Six by 5. Very good. That is the answer. So reciprocal is nothing but we have to change this position. Who have given that answer? Vinayak Naik once again. Sanket, that is wrong. What you are going to multiply, then you have to get the 1 as the answer. So it you have to reverse. So 6 by 5 you have to reverse. 5 by 6 you have to reverse and it will become 6 by 5. So 6 by 5 is the final answer. Understood? Any doubt? Any doubt? So tomorrow homework. Take down tomorrow homework. All of you take down tomorrow homework. Write any 5 multiplicative inverse and additive inverse You have to give any 5 examples. Any 5 examples for multiplicative inverse, and again you have to give the 5 examples for additive inverse also. Okay, keep it ready. Tomorrow we will talk about this. And this is all about today's class. If you have a doubt, you can ask me in WhatsApp. So this much is the today's class, and tomorrow we will meet at the same time. Tomorrow we will bring little bit a different topic. Okay, see you for the tomorrow class. Thank you one and all. Take care. So those who have doubt, you can ask me. Stay safe, huh?